Monuments, bronze.net offers memorial benches as that, uprights, flats, bronze, pillow top, companion, memorials, mausoleums. The number one Revelations 2 memorial ministry in the world. The largest monument ministry of Revelation 2:27 through 22, the reward of the new world, from the new heaven to the new world. The only heaven monument bronze memorial service on earth that offers the Revelation 2:27 Morning Star copyrights of only Amen Ra Solomon Muhammad Ali Akbar of Genesis 12. The government is forcing the monetary movements on Amen Ra's head right now. They knew this in federal court when they forged the indictment that it was a $50 billion brand, that we have 1.5 billion people, supporters of Hebrews 12. They know that they are only for the redemption plan of the Lord. Only Africa, Canaanites, Asia, and Islam is permitted to purchase these monuments, these mausoleums. No one else. The Revelations 2 mark of the Morning Star will be processed with this monument. The only company that works with Amen Ra is out of Industry PA.
How can we help?
They know that the agreement was made in writing. The statements will receive $1 million a year, starting in 2030, for 10 years, according to the agreement. The monuments here, the upright section here to the left, they have no new heaven and no new world memorial because it's not permitted. God bless them, the Catholics, with Dan Marino, Dave Bazzuli, J.C. Pelusi, Sal Sinceri, and the other University of Pittsburgh alums. Minister Dean Robertson will obtain one of these heaven monuments ministry without the government forcing monetary movements on his head. He will travel to Africa, and Pastor Howard will be given $1 million a year from the proceeds of heavenly monuments for working with Isaiah 2. Go Tell It on the Mountain TV Holiday Hanukkah Special on WBGN TV. Thank you very much, Pastor Howard, for your service.